Hello, my dear students of class 10th. Dear student, I am Rajendra Rai, your biology teacher, working at LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, considering the upcoming exam, that is PA 3rd, I am going to here present the question answer exercises that had been taken from the chapter reproduction. And in the previous video, I have completed the MCQ section through your prescribed book, and today I am going to do some other varieties of the questions, and that is present on the page number 184, that you have to do it. So first of all, let us see the some filling the blanks. Some filling the blanks. This is your class and subject, and reproduction, that will be the reproduction in both plant and animal, and question answers, questions and answers. And in this board representation, I am going to take filling the blanks. So see how did this question number 1. Genetic variation occurs due to inaccuracy in either you say chromosomal replication or you say DNA replication. So answer will be in filling number 1. You can write either chromosomal replication or DNA replication. Means there will be the inaccuracy in chromosomal or DNA replication. Question number 2. During dash, eggs and sperms are released in the environment. तो ऐसे कौन से जीव हैं जो कौन सी प्रक्रिया है जिसमें कि, और कौन से जीव हैं जो इन्वायरमेंट में आइदर वाटर इन एयर और कहीं भी एक को ले करते हैं ड्यूरिंग मेटिंग एंड फर्टिलाइजेशन इज एक्सटर्नल. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, द amphibians means you have to fill that mating, during mating amphibians means frog. Amphibians lay eggs and sperm into the water for the external fertilization. Then third, dash fertilization occur inside the female's body. Which kind of fertilization occurs inside the female body? That is the internal fertilization. So third, that is the internal fertilization. So you can fill it. Number 4. And number 4 is dash common half of the amount of DNA compared to the parent cells. मीन्स क्या ऐसी चीज होती है जो कि हाफ नंबर ऑफ डीएनए या क्रोमोसोम कैरी करती है अपने पेरेंट सेल की अपेक्षा? तो वो चीज होती है, दैट थिंग इज गैमेट सेल्स. सो गैमेट cells possess half number of the chromosome, contain half number of the chromosome or DNA as compared to the parents. Then dash bearing ovary with dash are the female reproductive part of a flower. Okay, so answer will be carpel or gynoecium bearing ovary with ovules. So carpel and ovule will be the answer. ovule in question number 5. Question number 6, stamen dash bearing anther which produce dash are the male reproductive part of the flower. So stamen bearing anthers or you can say androecium bearing anthers which produce pollen grains. So write 6, stamen dash pollen grains. You can mark it as a fill. And next, that is the once the pollen grains are deposited on the stigma, then they form hard coat. क्या होगा? हार्ड कोट. जब एक बार स्टिग्मा पर पहुंच जाता है pollen grain, when it release the pollen nuclei into the pollen tube, then there will be the formation of hard coat. So 7, that will be the hard coat. Okay. Next is the flower which contains both stamen and carpel is called bisexual flower. Bisexual flower. 8, that is bisexual flower. Bisexual flower. And come to 9. Flowers are underground. This question number 9 is wrong. I think this is the misprint that is given in the book. Dear student, these are the things, and take the example of a match. So in the matching, like amoeba, fission, hydra, budding, planaria, regeneration, rhizopus, fragmentation, spirogyra, rhizopus spore formation and spirogyra is fragmentation. Another vagina, copulatory organ, ovary, egg production, urethra, passage of urine and semen in male, seminal vesicle, nourishment of sperm, uterus, that is the receive fertilized ovum. So these are the matches that is given on the page number 185. My dear student, you have to do true false on your own behalf. And furthermore, dear students, here in the book several diagrams are there that are the diagram based questions which are very important. You are looking this book and diagram based questions like this. There is a binary fission in amoeba and there is a flower. So you have to do this exercise in this class itself. That diagram based question is I am going to draw a diagram, a rough diagram, and you have to label it. How? See this. This is amoebic cell, and this amoebic cell, this nucleus start proliferating. Itself, and here in this there is and the nucleus here the cell of amoeba is going to divide in two parts, and later two amoebic cells are formed. Two amoebic cells are formed. So you have to label it. You have to label this diagram. How you will label? See this. This is amoeba. This is amoeba. A-M-O-E-B-A. Amoeba. This is nuclear proliferation. Nuclear proliferation बोलते हैं इसको, या फिर इसको बोलते हैं कैरियोगेमी, कैरियोजेनेसिस, या न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन, या न्यूक्लियर प्रोलिफरेशन, या कैरियोजेनेसिस means nucleus is going to divide. Okay, and here daughter nuclei, two daughter nuclei. This is daughter nuclei, and here binary fission, binary fission, which is called as cytokinesis, cytogenesis, yeah, cytokinesis, karyokinesis and cytokinesis, two things are there, and these are daughter cells. Daughter cells. These are daughter cells. Dear students, come to the next diagram. That is the diagram based question, and that is very easy. I am taking your attention on the diagram of the flower. Diagram of the flower means this is a bisexual flower which is having this ovary. This is the ovary, and from this ovary there are another thing, and this is having this base of the flower. So this is a bisexual flower, and here you are looking here so this is the diagram giving you, and you have to label it. You have to label it. This is a bisexual flower, and you have to label it. So see, this is the star. This is star. S-T-A-L-T. This is star, and this is basal part. Sepal. This is basal part. Basal part. These are sepal. These are sepal. These are petals. And pollen grains in anther. This is filament, and this host is called stamen of androecium. But here you will see this is the pollen tube. This is the pollen tube which leads to the ovule. it leads to the ovule, and this is pollen tube. Pollen tube. This is style. This is stigma. Stigma. This is ovary. Ovary. And in these ovaries there are ovules. These are ovules. So by looking this diagram, my dear student, diagram of a bisexual flower, you can understand the part of the flower, sexual part of the flower. This is called gynosium or carpel. Carpel or gynosium. The female reproductive part, this is called gynosium. Male reproductive part, that is called androsium. My dear student, I would like to take you. So many questions are there. So many crossword puzzles are there. You can do the exercise in your book. That is for your practice. That is for your practice. And further, group works are there. So many things are there that is in the given in your book. If you exercise this book, your complete chapter will be revised. And further, I will take the next question answer session. Probably that will be in the next video. It will be completed in the next video. And that will be the short answer, very short answer and long answer questions. These three segments that will be covered from this. And very important questions are there that are expected to come into your exams. So these are very important questions. You have to do the exercising. My dear students, come to the question number 1. That is very short answer. What is reproduction? So reproduction is the process of production of the new progeny, production of the offspring. Second, what are the various types of the asexual reproduction? The asexual reproduction are of various types. Examples are number 1, that is the fission, binary fission, multiple fission. Number 2 is spore formation. Number 3 regeneration. Number 4 fragmentation. Number 5 vegetative propagation. Number 6 tissue culture or cloning. So these are the different methods of the asexual reproduction. In which animals can budding be seen? Animal like hydra that produce asexually by budding. And what are the 2 types of regeneration? My dear student, partial regeneration and full regeneration, that is the 2 types of the regeneration. Which type of the regeneration is found in lizard and frog? Partial regeneration is found in lizard and frog. Define vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is the method of the asexual reproduction which leads to the formation of new plants from the cutting of the stem or roots of the plants like carrot, radish beer, sugar cane, etc. These are the cutting and planting. Okay. Which part of the plant can grow vegetatively? So vegetatively, the leaf, root and stem, that are the vegetative parts which are leads to the grow vegetatively to the new plant. Write any one factor that can lead to the like of new species. My dear student, the one factor, that is the gene. The gene is the factor which leads to the new generation from the parents and carrying out the different characters from the parents to the offsprings. Which crop of plant is grown by cutting method? So sugar cane, radish beer and this carrot, these are the plants which can grow by cutting method. What is sexual reproduction? My dear students, sexual reproduction is the reproduction process by which the new individual will be born as a result of the copulation of both male and female gametes during the process of their sexual reproductive process, that is mating. And after fertilization, the gamete gets fused. During fertilization, gamete gets fused and new zygote will be formed, which leads to the formation of new individual into the sexual reproduction. So my dear student, other question that will be carried in the out into the next online class as well as next video. Thank you. Good day.